Love and Marriage Huntsville, Marsau Scott took Latisha to Miami to a car race for Mother's Day. Listen, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, we have a new menu for Super Thanks. So if you like this video, donate to the Super Thanks. Now, do you think that Latisha liked the Mother's Day trip? Comment below. I would love to hear from you. And as always, thanks for watching.
Nobody's taking for house. Come on. Got him. There you go. I guess that Romeo did something. Hey, here they come again. You want to see? They coming. I hate the fact that Red Bull's in the front. Max fucking Verstappen. That was too top level. Come on. Said I could hear Tisha's negativity from here, and I'm sitting there like, that's because they got 20 cars racing with 1,000 plus horsepower each car, and you can hear negativity. That's because you're in